Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can switch off or power off a phone Vivo Y100. If you long press this power button, usually this will be power button. If you long press it, you will not find the power button, power off option. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to press power button and volume up button together, and it will go to the power off option. Okay, click on power off here, and yes, your phone will be switched off now. Yes, it is switched off. If you want to switch on again, you have to press this power button long. Okay, long press this power button and it will open up and it will load your phone. Just wait few seconds. So you cannot switch off using this button alone. Okay, what you have to do is just you have to press power button and volume up button to have the power off menu, and there you have to select power off option. Okay, now it's loading. I have switched on my phone again and it's loading. Just wait. Yes, loaded. So in this way you can easily switch off or power off your phone Vivo Y100. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.